Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh, and all the meals that you get come in a paper bag that's labeled so you know exactly what meal it is. Makes it super easy. And you may notice I'm getting doubles of some of the items. That's because this is for a 4-person meal. Usually I get the 2-person meal unless I'm cooking for my parents. So then I get bigger portions, and you could constantly update and change that as you like. So very, very simple. So the first thing I did is took the rice and added some water and some salt. I'm going to get that cooking while I prep all the veggies. And then I made the pico, so I have tomatoes and onions and cilantro in there. Also added some salt and pepper and some lime juice. I gave that a mix and set that aside while I prepped the rest of the veggies. So I sliced up the peppers, the onions, and then I was ready to cook. Heated up some olive oil in a pan, added in the onions and the peppers. I did add some salt to that, and I cooked it for about 7 minutes until they were softened. By that time my rice was done, so I added some of the cilantro and some lime zest, and I fluffed that into the rice with some salt and pepper. And shortly after that, the peppers and onions were done, so I added in some seasoning, the beans, and some stock concentrate. And the seasoning was a Southwest spice blend. Once I had everything in there, I did cook that for another about 5 to 7 minutes until some of the liquid was reduced. And once that was done, that's all there was. You can go ahead and assemble your burritos. So it says to put down about a 1/3 cup of rice, so I did measure mine. Then I added the beans and the onions and some of the crema. It's a smoky red pepper crema. Monterey Jack, some of the pico. They also did give guacamole, in case you want to add guacamole. And then that's all there is to it. Go ahead and wrap them up and you are done. These are super delicious. I prefer the veggie meals over the meat ones. They always have really great dishes that they come up with. So if you guys would like to try HelloFresh, I have a referral link below that will save some money off your first box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.